Good day, fellow. Setso is back. If you are new to this channel, kindly don't forget to subscribe. Today, I'm going to give you an introduction to the classification of matter. Classification of matter. Do you still remember from grade 8, if I'm not mistaken, the term or the definition of matter? We said it implies what? Anything that has mass and occupies space. It's anything that has mass, and occupies space. See, every matter is made up of small, or the building blocks, we call those atoms. Atoms, or let me just say atom, it's fine. Atom, those are the building blocks, or the smallest unit of matter. Then now, what I'm going to do at this point is I'm going to write now almost everything in a diagram format. Then matter can be divided into mixture as well pure substances. Let me say pure substance. Then what are mixtures, or what are pure substances as well? Mixture is composed of two or more pure substances. A mixture is a combination of two or more pure substances. Then now, what are pure substances? Pure substances are those substances which cannot be separated or broken down by physical means. The pure substances are those substances which cannot be broken down by physical means. See, somehow mixtures can be separated by physical means. Then the type of mixtures that we have homogeneous mixtures as well as heterogeneous mixture. The word homo means the same. The word hetero means different. Then now, homogeneous are those mixtures with uniform, the same combination, uniform combination. Then it's clear that for hetero, it's going to be non-uniform composition. Oh, let me say kindly write composition. See, composition, those are heterogeneous. Then now, the example of homogeneous is salt water. We know that it is very difficult to separate a dissolved salt from water. You see, it forms one part with water. When we take salt and put it inside water, it forms one part. But now as for heterogeneous mixture, an example is going to be, let me say, e.g., it's mud. See, we can clearly see mud inside water. You see, we can clearly see mud. Then it's going to be a heterogeneous, a non-uniform what composition. Now then this side we are going to have element and compound. See, I don't have much space. Let me define an element here. Then water element is that substance which cannot be broken down into any simpler form, you see, or by chemical means. Then an element is a substance which cannot be broken down into simpler substance. An example of an element, we have hydrogen, we have helium, we have carbon, we have oxygen. There are so many. Those, you see, we have hydrogen, we have carbon, we have sulfur. There are so many. Then now compound now is going to be substance that is made up of two or more elements. The substance that is made up of two or more elements. See, then a typical example that we have is H2O. You see, H2O is made up of hydrogen. It's also made up of what? Of oxygen. You see, this is a basic introduction to this topic of classification of matter. You see, I wanted to summarize for you. I thank you, my fellow learners. Enjoy.